Hi, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Murugi and today I'll be showing you my bed sitter. So I'll be giving you a bed sitter tour, yeah. And my bed sitter is quite small and also I haven't done much in the house, but I hope you'll enjoy the video. Yes, so let's get right into the video. Yeah, so this is the entrance to my bed sitter. And at the door we have a stool there where my visitors sit when they visit. So be sure if you come to visit me, this is where you sit. Then directly from the door is the kitchen area. Yes, this is a kitchen area. Down here I store my foodstuffs, and also that's my meko. That's the sink. And then here on top I put some stuff like the kettle, blender, water bottle, flask, and the rest. Then this is where I put my utensils after cleaning them, right there. And then from the kitchen area, I also have this tank where I store water just in case there's no water in the house. There's more water here. Yes. Then we have a table here. This is where I place my woofer, my TV, and then it has shelves. The upper shelf, this is where I put my books and extra shopping and what else? Yeah, toiletries. Then the shelf at the bottom, this is where I put my shoes. And then behind there is a laundry basket where I put my dirty clothes. Yes. So that's how it looks like. Then behind the TV is my wardrobe. That's where I put my clothes. And I've put some funny stuff there on top. Yeah, so behind the TV is my wardrobe. That's where I put all my clothes. Yes. Then here we have a mirror. Hi, there's a mirror. And then we have some deco here. Some butterfly, but where? What did I just say? Some butterfly deco. Then this is my bed. My laptop over there. Yeah, this is my bed. Then this is my throw blanket. This is what I use as a throw blanket when I don't want to enter into my bed. Yes. Then here we have my iron box. And this is my window. Then the landlady was kind enough to put another socket over here. So this is where I charge my laptop and my phone from. Yes, and that's basically it about my bed sitter. Okay, you're not done yet. So this door leads to the bathroom. It leads to the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom is huge, huge compared to the rest of the house. And then there's a partition here. Then the sink area and the toilet area over here. Yes. Then there's a mirror. There's another mirror here. Yes. Very nice, very big compared to the rest of the room. And that's basically it. So this is the view from where I have my other socket at the bed. So this is the view from here. Yeah, that's how it looks like. I haven't put much in my house, but I like the space over here. I don't know even if I have to place a table or something. I don't know. I just like the space. Yeah, and that's it. That's basically it. Also, don't forget to comment, like, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be very happy if you do so. Yes.